Stop taking notes in a conversation with a prospect. Start being present instead. If you're scribbling during a conversation with a potential client, you're missing the most important part. When you're trying to capture every darn thing and you're scribbling and scribbling away, you stop actually hearing anything. Put the pen down. Look them in the eye, even through the screen, if you're on a Zoom call. Say less. Listen more. Be present with them. Trust isn't built with transcripts. Never has been, never will. It's built with your presence. Here's a clue for you. Try doing one sales conversation this week and stop taking any notes whatsoever. 0 notes. Just pure 100% presence with them. Let's see what happens. You will be very surprised. On the screen there, peterbeckenham.com/hello. Book a time, come and talk to me, and I'll share some more insights about how you can optimize every single conversation you're having with a potential client. Until next time, best wishes from Thailand.